so much for being here. Thank you so much for taking care of your community. That's Neil Towns.
All right, Toronto. How are you guys doing tonight? So wonderful to see so many faces out on behalf of Canadian Pacific. Thank you so much for coming to support the 2022 CP Holiday Train. How happy are you that we're back this year? This is the 24th year that we have been bringing this beautiful train of lights to communities across Canada and the United States. And this year, we are going to reach 168 communities over 3 weeks so that we can raise money, food, and awareness for food security issues, just like yours here today. Since 1999, we've been able to raise $21 million and 5 million pounds of food. We have Neil Hetherington from the Daily Bread Food Bank, thank you, as well as CP police officer who has a check for the food bank for $15,000.
Just a very quick word of thanks on behalf of the food bank. The need is greater now than ever before, but in this season of lights and a season of hope, it is you that has come out and said we can make a difference. And so on behalf of every client, thank you very, very much.
That's wonderful. The need is great this year, so please give generously if you can. Please make sure to drop off your donation to the Fighting to End Hunger trailer, because every dollar counts for them. Thank you. Who enjoyed hearing Ace and Abby? And are you ready to hear Neil Towns?
This is incredible. Happy holidays, everybody. My name is Tennille Towns, and I'm so excited to get to be a part of this tonight. To see all of your beautiful smiling faces. Nights like these make me feel so proud to be Canadian. This is amazing. Yeah. And congratulations to you guys and just showing up, bringing your donations and wrapping your arms around the Toronto Food Bank and making sure everybody has a meal on their table. What an important and beautiful thing. So we're proud and excited to be a part of your community tonight. And we're going to have some fun. Are you guys ready or what? Let's do it. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Come on now. Don't you think? And listen, we got